All right, welcome to our introduction to inequalities. We are on the notes page, and we're going to fill in these blanks with these words from our word bank. Okay, so an inequality uses, not an inequality, I'm sorry, let me read this correctly. An equation uses an equal sign to show that both sides are equivalent. Now, we've used that word before, equivalent. That word means that they're equal. So what that's telling us is that an equation, when we solve it, what is on one side of the equal sign is equivalent or equal to the other side. So it balances it out. Now, an inequality shows that both sides are not equal. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, how can we actually solve a problem when it's not equal? Well, this introduces us to looking at things that are greater than, less than, possibly greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Those words we're going to see how it all kind of shapes out in the next slides. But this right here is what we need to know. Is we've done equations already. We saw that x equals a specific number and it has that one solution. An inequality is going to show us that it will have multiple solutions, and that's why both sides are not equal. So keep on moving forward. Even if you're just a little bit confused, we'll hopefully find some clarity as we continue to move on.